Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video we will walk you through how to integrate Klarna to Shopify. I'm going to show you how to add Klarna to Shopify, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify store. So after logging into Shopify store, you have to tap login. Then you can see this option Bruisebox or Tech Shops. For example, I'm gonna go with Bruisebox. From there you will be redirected to your Shopify dashboard. From there you can see your store details here, all the things. So from there you can see this option called payments. You have to tap onto payments. Then you can head over to this option called complete account setup. You have to tap onto this option. You have to complete account setup. From there you can choose, like, you can enter your banking information here, your sort code, account number, and also here you can see this option called add payment methods. Okay, you have to tap onto it in order to add Klarna to your payment method. On this search bar called search by provider, you have to tap onto this mini search bar. From there you have to search Klarna. Here you can see this option, first option called Klarna. You have to tap onto it, and from there, after tapping onto it, you can see this option called connect. You have to tap onto connect, and now that's it, your Shopify store is added to Klarna. So this is as simple as that. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.